Okay, so I'm recording. I'm gonna walk you through for the assignment. I'm gonna go to my website, Mr.Velez, looking on Google. But you should have the link on Google Classroom. Taking time. So I'm gonna go to Music Tech, Music Theory, and this is node identification. This is number one. Keyboard node identification. And this is number three, core identification. I'm gonna do node identification first. Taking some time to load. You have the node, you have the line on the staff, every good boy does fine, and you have the space FACE. So E, G, B, D, F, every good boy does fine. So whenever it's in line 4, C, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will be D because you can say those words to remind you, to help you. Every good boy does D. And then this is F because it's fine. Line number 1 is every. Line number 2 is G, B, boy. Then when it's a space, when the line is not crossing the note, it's a space. So then you have F, A, C, E, word face. That's going to help you. The problem is when it's down and when it's up, you have to memorize it. And here is the test. And here's how you're going to customize that test in this Google slide. So just follow the arrows to set this up. I'm going to do it so you can see. I'm going to open the test. I'm going to go to the wheel. I'm going to set this up, okay? I don't need the ground staff. I just need the treble clef. So I'm going to select only the treble clef. Go back. Treble range. Let's select. Usually it's like too high, too low. We just need one line and a circle, and above one line and a circle. See? So the line is crossing. And go back. And you can see in here how all this is going. See, that's why I'm doing that. The arrow one, select the treble range, then go out, select no filter. So I'm gonna go to the test and select no filter. Usually accidental is on, check that off. Check no filter, because if you don't do that, you don't see the note. See, we need to see the note. So we can fix that and change that. We don't need all the sharp or flat, so check that off if you have that on. And only check the middle one, C, D, E, F, G, A, B, the Y key. Go back, then go to challenge mode and select 15 minutes, 50 question. Go back on the arrow, and please don't select multiple attempt. Go back, and then you can start taking the test. Okay, I'm gonna do a couple of these notes with you so you know what we're doing. This is tricky one because it's not in the line, it's not in the space. You can go back to my website here and reference with my slide here. Okay, so I have this one is F. Every good boy does fine. It's a space, but this one then is G. Is above F. circle without a line above the staff is G. When it is this one with the line, then it's A. When it's down the staff, this is E because every, see first line. But when it's down below, then you have D without the line. When you have the line, then it's C. So this one is G. This one is a line. Every good boy does fine. So this one is F. This is the tricky one because it's down the staff. You can then go back and refer. This is below and this is D. So then you can copy from a slide. Totally fine. Again, this is above the staff. So if you don't remember, just go and check it out. So it's a good idea to memorize G, A, D, and C. So G is above the staff without a line. A above the staff with the line. So this one is above without the line is G. This one is a space. What number of space? 1, 2, 3, 4. So remember face, F-A-C-E. Line, every good boy. Again, it's above the staff. So if you don't remember, check it out on my Google slide here. See on the Treble base identification. We're only doing treble. We're not in the bass yet. And here, this is how you set it up. When you are done, I'm gonna pretend I'm done. Click view report. Enter your name and last name. And don't click sign report. You then gonna you can see here on my Google slide view report. You're gonna click enter, the key enter. Don't click sign report. So I'm gonna click enter and watch what happened. It's giving me the link. I'm gonna copy the link. Then you're gonna go to your Google Classroom for the assignment, the appropriate one. Enter add or create, go to link, and then you're gonna paste that link there by doing Control V. Keep Control holding while you do V, and then you will see that it's coming. Then turn it in. Then it should look like this. If you have this picture, then it's the wrong link. Make sure it's like that. Double check it. You can open and check if that is opening, and then that will be all for the Treble. So try to have 100 for that one. And put me a comment on your Google Classroom that you are done, and put also the score in any case the link doesn't work. Also, it's a good idea to take a screenshot and send it if the link doesn't work either. Okay, so thank you so much. See you next time. Bye.